Salutations all, this is Shantae from Shantedidathing, because y'all know on this side of the net, we stay doing things. Now once this whole debacle is over, I am definitely going back to Dubai and Abu Dhabi. I've been for 2 weeks and it just really wasn't enough time to do everything I wanted to do. When I go back, I'm definitely going to do a desert safari and master the sand surfing. Oh, and I'm so going to go skydiving, real skydiving. Because I kind of chickened out and went zip lining over a rooftop and indoor skydiving as a substitute. And I absolutely have to go back to Warner Brothers World in Abu Dhabi and to see the Sheikh Zayed Mosque again. Oh, I feel like it should be classified as another wonder of the world because it is absolutely one of the most beautiful pieces of architecture I've ever seen. And I would so love to take another helicopter ride over the Palm Jumeirah, or just traveling up to the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world still to this day. But now that I think about it, Dubai wasn't the only beautiful place I've seen with great architecture. I'm just gonna go visit the world.